teteng, mapapalaban naman ng English ah.
Alex? Yes, Alex.
Huwag mong sabihin, Alice Gonzaga, ay huwag ka magalala, wala ko na ulungan siyang pansin. Uy, Black Moon, halo ka pulman eh. Siya, kapit sir, tayo lilipad na. Alis na pala. O siya, tayo lang din ni sir ha, ipinahatid ko na safe na safe. Teka, tutulong at tatanggal tayo sabihin ng Father Whiskey Chicks na tinatanggalan ko eh. Teka, anak ng teteng, kilig si sir,
Init.
ikaw, pinawisan yung Black Moon yung
Very
ubusin
hot
na.
in Philippines.
Yeah, because
Yes, true. It's good. Do you have a wife?
yeah, in the Philippines.
Yeah? Oh. Only one.
Of course. Itu ano, I think you 7 hot. Diba?
Diba? Oh.
7 hot.
Yeah.
You?
No, no.
Who? 1?
What? Only one.
Oh, cool.
Do you have a kids? No.
1.
Only one.
Yeah.
Make it more.
Wala kang pera ha? You know a baby food ha? Uy. With time, still, yeah. Yes, sir.